Hello, guys. It's me, Ludwig again. It's so nice to meet you. Today, I'm playing SpongeBob Bikini Bottom 500. But this time, in the Bikini... Racing into Bikini Bottom. But this time, in the first course in Bikini Bottom, let's see, I could make it at least 3 minutes. I hope. Okay, let's just do it. 3 minutes. Go team. There we go. I still have time. We could make it. I could do this. Oh yeah, I could do it. I could do it. Oh yeah, the races are gone. I still have time. Come on y'all, let's finish this race. Here comes the train. Boom! Two minutes and 49 seconds. Round of time. Yes!